Good morning. Today we're going to talk about relationships. And when most people hear about relationships, they think we're going to go right into intimate relationships. We're going to start with something different. When we talk about relationships, we're talking about establishing good relationships with people. My girlfriend said to me the other day, she said, I was listening to something about relationships, and she said it was going into how we'll sleep with our partner, we'll be with our loved ones, and we get up in the morning sometime like, talk to the hand. Then we'll get up in the morning and we'll go to our local store to get some coffee, 7-Eleven, Starbucks, and we'll know everybody. Hey, good morning, Jane. Tom, how you doing? Have a great day. When you do some self-reflecting, right? What did you say to the person you woke up to next to this morning? What was that relationship like? You know what I'm saying? Because what we do sometimes is we don't think about how our words affect people, and and everything's a relationship. If you got to say to yourself, oh, I hate this person, or I hate going to the store, or I can't stand this lady, or this guy, he weirds me out. Come on, if that's not a relationship you got to have, bounce. Don't even go around them. You know what I'm saying? But these relationships we have, like with our relationship with our children, you know what I'm saying? They going to school. They want to be fly. They want to be, but what kind of relationship? Are you explaining to your children, listen, if you do this, you're going to get that. Because when I was growing up, man, you had to do something extraordinary to get something besides your birthday or Christmas. I don't know about y'all. I wasn't in that 1%, that elite group. That just wasn't something that I was doing. So my relationship was my mom would be like, listen, you go to school, because I send you to school, and you do well, And as we talk about relationships, as I got older, I had a relationship with my college professors where what happened, I hated school. I didn't like school. But where the relationship with the college professor, they say, he's always on time. He's punctual. He hands his reports in on time. So if I slipped on a grade or I wanted to maintain an A average in a certain course, guess what that was going to go be based on? The relationship that I had with the teacher. Does your teachers know you by first name? Or you just the guy in the back or the girl in the back that when they call your name, you just raise your hand and you there just to get the A, or just get the C to be present? Or do you go say, hi, Professor Johnson, my name is Dr. Jackson, my name is so-and-so, so they can know you on a personal basis. Everything based around relationships. Those that inspire you, relationships. Even the podcast y'all watch, you have a relationship with them because you say, I'm going to listen to this person daily because they have something that I can hear. I'm getting something from them. In all the relationship, we got to stop and say, what am I getting from this relationship? What's the benefit? Of every relationship, we got to say, what's the benefit? It's like we call certain people emotional vampires. They just call you and suck from you, and you feel you're not getting nothing back. And it's okay to evaluate your relationships. And it's okay to sometimes say, you know what? I'm going to fall back from this relationship. So Dr. Ulysses Jackson, man, evaluate your relationship that you have with people. What's the purpose of having this relationship? And what's the purpose of not having this relationship? What's the cost benefit? I don't have time to waste. So you come into my circle and you talking, man, it's about uplifting and adding on. If it ain't that, man, I ain't got it. I ain't got no rap for you. But clinically, I do these things to help people move forward. Dr. Ulysses Jackson talking about evaluating all your relationships.